Welcome to London School of Mosaic. For 200 years, people have tried to set up a school which would teach Mosaic at a higher education level, and we're now doing that.
What's really interesting about the work being done here at the London School of Mosaic is that we are doing experiments with the making of contemporary mosaics in order to understand better production techniques and also materials in the past.
I think it's very important because it's quite a long course. So it's 1 year course and is unique in the UK because of the duration and the practice they can have here, the fabrication especially.
The students at London School of Mosaic attend 2 days full-time and 1 day part-time, and they're welcome to be in the studio and keep working on their projects Monday through to Friday, as well as some weekends when we run short courses.
Students here can also work on commissions, both public and private, and get experience of hands-on making of mosaic.
The students really start to learn how to conceptualize mosaic. They are learning drawing techniques for mosaic particularly, and how to work with patterns in mosaic, which is called andamento. They're learning color theory as well as how to prepare mosaic for installation, so that they're really well equipped to make briefs for clients or to submit proposals for public projects that they may be working on in the future.
I think it's very good here, the environment, because I feel quite a little bit more free, and in the way the teacher teaches us. And also at the same time I feel very comfortable because here in the school we have many departments, and the contamination between different kind of art is really important and inspiring for me.
Yeah.